cousins near and far, and welcome to my channel, Ancestral Spotlight. Today I would like to introduce our brand new Amerindian DNA study of Virginia. The primary goal of this study is to trace the direct female line descendants of the tribes of Virginia, with an emphasis on descendants of Kaoki, believed to be the daughter of Pocahontas. This unbroken maternal line can be identified with the mitochondrial DNA test, abbreviated as mtDNA, with samples taken from living descendants of Kaoki herself, from both direct female lineages or males who are the sons of a direct female of this maternal lineage. Males break the direct line of females from Kaoki, yet still possess the direct maternal mtDNA themselves. This portion of the DNA study will be housed at Family Tree DNA, where the mtDNA kits can be purchased. Once you have a Family Tree DNA account and have purchased the mtDNA test, you can join our project on this platform. The link will be in the description box below. Some mitochondrial DNA haplogroups are more commonly found in Amerindian populations than others. It is our hope to discover one of these Amerindian mitochondrial haplogroups among the maternal line descendants of Kaoki. This study will collect and compare the direct maternal descendant mtDNA of the known sisters of Pocahontas and other female relatives of the tribe found in and around Virginia. Should the mtDNA from descendants of Kaoki match those of the descendants of sisters and maternal line relatives of Pocahontas, then we will have successfully proven Kaoki as a female relative of Pocahontas, showing the probability that she could have been a daughter of Pocahontas. To provide further supportive evidence, we will also be seeking Y-DNA from the various families associated with the apparent Native American Indian lines of this area. These surnames include, but are not limited to, Meese, Elkins, Redmond, Bowling, Grigsby, etc. Y-DNA tests can be purchased at Family Tree DNA, and the Y111 marker test is recommended. Once you have made an account at Family Tree DNA, please join the study. Again, the link will be provided in the description box below. We will also have an autosomal component of this study, open to all descendant branches, male and female, of the above named individuals and families. Autosomal DNA can be tested at all the major DNA testing platforms, such as Ancestry DNA, Family Tree DNA, 23andMe, MyHeritage, and be uploaded for free into GenMatch.com. This will generate a kit number, which we will include in our study database. For autosomal DNA tests completed at Family Tree DNA, called the Family Finder, these kits can be entered into the above-named project on the platform at the link in the description box below. All autosomal kits should be uploaded into GenMatch for the admixture portion of this DNA study. Along with your DNA submissions into the Amerindian DNA study of Virginia, we also seek your lineage connecting you to Kaoki, Pocahontas, and the female relatives of Pocahontas. This will allow us to verify the lineage with available documented sources where available. During the admixture portion of this DNA study, please understand that autosomal DNA is heavily subjected to random inheritance. We inherit approximately 50% DNA from each parent, 25% from each grandparent, and only 12.5% of DNA from each great-grandparent. That's an astonishing amount of DNA we did not inherit. Therefore, a person's amount of, or lack of, Amerindian DNA should not include or exclude them as having Native American Indian ancestry. It should be noted that blood quantum is not being measured with admixture, and it is not a relevant part in any DNA study of this nature, due to random inheritance. Please contact me at ancestralspotlight@gmail.com or visit me on my website, www.ancestralspotlight.com, with any questions, concerns, or to submit your lineages along with your DNA. You can also find us on Facebook in our related group, Native American DNA Study of the Virginias. A link will be in the description box below. Happy hunting, my friends.